Nokia. It's a name that echoes through the history of mobile phones. The brand that once dominated the market with phones like the iconic Nokia 6600, the legend of its time, is back. And it's back with something big. Introducing the Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G, the successor to its classic predecessor, with a massive upgrade in every department. We're talking about a device with 5G support, mind-blowing camera capabilities, and a battery that will last you through the toughest days. If you were a fan of the original 6600, this new iteration is definitely going to get your heart racing. So, let's dive into all the details, from the first leaked features to the expected price and launch date of this much-anticipated device. Stick with us till the end, and you'll have all the info you need. Let's start with the display. This is where Nokia has really pulled out all the stops. The Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G boasts a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus display, which is perfect for media consumption, gaming, and all the other things you do on your phone. And it doesn't stop there. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Yes, the same glass used in some of the most durable phones out there. So whether you're dropping your phone or dealing with everyday wear and tear, this display should hold up just fine. Now, let's talk about the cameras. Oh boy, Nokia is really going for it this time. The Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G features a 200MP DSLR grade rear camera. Yes, you heard that right. 200 megapixels. Imagine the kind of photos this thing is capable of. Under the hood, the Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G runs on the latest Android 15 operating system. That means you're getting the most up-to-date software features, security patches, and improvements that Google has to offer. With a clean, near-stock Android experience, you'll have a smooth, bloat-free interface, which is something many users appreciate. Now, let's talk about the battery, because that's one of the most exciting upgrades. The Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G is packing a massive 7,000 mAh battery. To put that into perspective, this phone has enough juice to last you through days of heavy use. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or browsing social media, this phone is going to keep going. Now let's get into the most important question. How much will this cost, and when will it launch? As of now, there's no official confirmation on the exact launch date, but we're expecting it to arrive sometime in the near future. All the signs point toward an official unveiling at an event later this year. Of course, we'll keep you updated as soon as more info comes in. In terms of pricing, we're hearing that the Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G will likely be priced at around $250 in the global market. So what do you think? Are you excited about the Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this and other exciting tech releases. Until next time, stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.